Thank you.
A professional dancer, and of course I was originally a camera salesman called Wolf Camera. I founded Wolf Camera in 1975, and now I have a marketing and advertising firm called Wolf Cromwell People. And I am way, way below even a dancer. I'm enjoying myself, and I'm so happy I was able to help with this unbelievable cause. And raising money, I never realized that Alzheimer's actually cost the U.S. over $200 billion a year. And I'm at an age where I know a lot of people that have it. And everybody has some sort of feeling for this terrible disease. And we're convinced what we're dancing now.
Dancing Argentine Tango. It's a great dance. Chad is a natural charmer. He's got the passion, so we're just gonna bring the personality on the dance floor and have fun with it. This is our strategy, and we enjoy dancing together, and as long as we enjoy it, I think everyone else will too.
Thanks for coming, everybody, and donating your time and your resources.
You won't admit you love me, and so how am I ever to know? You always tell me, perhaps, perhaps, perhaps. A million times I've asked you, and then I ask you over again. You only answer, perhaps, perhaps, perhaps. If you can make your mind up, I will never get started. And I don't wanna wind you finding hearted, broken hearted. So if you really love me, say yes. But if you want me, confess. And please don't tell me, perhaps, perhaps, perhaps. If you can make your mind up, I will never get started. And I don't wanna wind up finding hearted, broken hearted. So if you really love me, say yes. But if you want me, confess. But please don't tell me, perhaps, perhaps, perhaps. Perhaps, 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 perhaps.
Another fantastic performance as we round out our dancing stars of Atlanta this evening. Chuck and Nastia, fantastic job. And let's hear what our judges have to say, beginning with Lynn.
Well, I thought he did a very nice job, a good presentation of tango. The posture was a little rounded for me, and he stood around a little too much for me. He let her dance around you, which was smart, but I wanted to see him move a little bit more, but I did enjoy it. He stayed in character, and it was well done. I'll give you a 9.
And Kimberly.
Who knew Chuck Wolf could dance? We all knew you were a great businessman, but you can dance. And I know you hated it. I can tell you hated every moment of it. Very, very good. Very impressed. I'll give you a 9.
Brenda, how about yourself?
Ooh, no, sorry.
Brenda, that would be
I'm
you.
in the moment. It was worth taking a picture of. I thought, made for lots of photo ops. I don't know about dancing, and a man's responsibility on the dance floor and something like that, it looks difficult. I agree. I wanted to see more movement. But I'm thinking that what you had to do in terms of lifting her and her moving a lot of body strength and a lot of vigor to do that. So I was really impressed with that. So I'm going to give you a number.
Okay, very good. John.
I was distracted, Chuck. Did you dance? No, you did great. You didn't get in the way, man. You didn't get in the way. And that's hard to do. I can tell you. I go in there with a woman named Monica Pearson. It can be tough sometimes. To not get in the way. I'm giving you a 10, pal.
All right, Chuck, you got some great comments, great scores, beautiful dancing. Now, we know you've had major success in your professional life. Wolf Camera, incredible entrepreneur and leadership skills. Did some of that in your business life take over in the dancing tonight to lead Asya around on the dance floor?
Well, I actually never took a picture of her because I don't know how to take pictures. But she is great, and that had a lot to do with it, yeah. But it was so much fun. And I like to be come next year to maybe get some tens. Because I lived her for a whole year.
Good for you, so you enjoyed it.
Right, I definitely did.
Well, we enjoyed watching you as well. So, Chuck, what does it mean for you to be here this evening?
Well, just to help this cause, as everybody said tonight, it's just unbelievable what I learned in, I guess, 4 or 5 months. And I know so many of my friends and so many people, mothers, dads, kids that have this, and it's just a terrible thing. It's very difficult for the spouse, more of the spouse than the person sometimes. So this is a great thing, and thank you everybody for coming.
Well, thank you for dancing and performing and entertaining us tonight. We appreciate it. Thank you.
Okay, very good. See, and Chuck, great job. Now we have